Hi everyone, welcome to Cock Channel. Today, let's make this super cute little bear with a pipe cleaner. To make this little brown bear, we'll need one 1-meter long pipe cleaner. First, use one end of the pipe cleaner to make the head. Leave about 10 centimeters like this, then wrap it around your thumb. This will be the bear's snout. Thread the pipe cleaner through the center hole to form an ear. Each ear should be about 4 centimeters long. On the other side, make another ear about 4 centimeters long. Now, let's make the head look fuller. Take the long end and wrap it around the ears. Wrap it twice around the neck. Then thread the pipe cleaner up through this hole from underneath. Thread it through one more time. Adjust both sides until they look even. Fold the long end like this to make the bear's arms. Fold the remaining section to form the legs. Fold the short end upward to secure it. Adjust the arms and legs until they look balanced. Once the frame is finished, it should look like this. Next, use scissors to trim the fuzzy fibers. First, trim any uneven or raised areas. Give the entire head a light trim. Trim around the eye areas and remove the excess fibers on the forehead. Trim a clear line between the ears and the face. Neaten the edges of the ears. Trim the lower part into a soft, rounded shape. After trimming, it should look like this. Once you're done trimming, add the facial details. For extra security, you can use a little glue to hold them in place. Use glue to attach a small bow. Check the overall shape and adjust any areas that don't look quite right. I'll add a keychain hook to turn the bear into a keychain. And our little brown bear is finished. So easy, right? Give it a try.